Hey, y'all. Good morning. Y'all, excuse my bed head. But y'all like family now, so y'all can see my bed head. So I just got up and, y'all, the first thing I do in the morning is check the weather. And also, I just look out the window at the garden. And then I usually go out in my pajama jams. I don't want to do that this morning. And I just take a peek and see if things are a bit different. Look, y'all, still got blossoms coming on here. It's nice. Don't know if they'll make lemons or not, but it's nice. Oh, y'all, look. My wax butter beans are getting ready to start blooming. It's pretty. I'm gonna be having some beans soon. Now look at my morning glories. They're trying to start to vine up. Yay! Now these bad boys are opening up, but there's no lady parts. Same for this one. No lady parts open. Y'all see that little bloom? It's a ground cherry. You know, sometimes when I come out, I try to figure out, like, y'all look at that. What is that right there? I don't know. Something growing in with my peppers. Y'all, we got a lot of rain, and the peppers had some fungus damage, so I just pulled out the whole plant because there's too many plants in here. Anyway. Sunflower action. And I'll have to check out my one little tomato. Contender beans are getting ready to start bean production. And these are the Blue Lake beans. And you can tell the difference in the blooms. They're so beautiful. So tiny and dainty. Yeah, it's been raining for a few days, so we got lots of mushrooms everywhere. That's in my cilantro. Chives. Still nothing to see yet in my roselles. Miss Linda, here's my long beans right here. They're going slow, but they're going. These are cowpeas. Y'all see that cucumber? Yay, we're starting cucumber production. And this cucumber is going up the trellis already. Yay! This is my sugar baby, and it is going up the trellis as well. This one's not looking too shabby either, on its way up. So while I'm out here, let's just make sure that stays on the trellis and doesn't go over to the tomato cages. These little sugar and peas, they're not really doing anything, y'all. Kind of disappointed about that. They had some pods, but the pods kind of, I don't know if some came and ate it or what. Another sunflower. This was my volunteer sunflower. It's about to get ahead. Y'all, this is what I'm always looking for. Signs of life in an empty pot. Echinacea. Come on up, little babies, come on up. Also, my bee balm is finally showing its head. Oh, this one has lots of flowers. And it's some flowers on lady parts too, but no guy parts. Tomatillas looking strong. I need to thin this pot out too. Y'all, it's so many things I need to do out here. I just haven't had a chance to do it. And I usually go out and, well, what I've been doing is working on my pile of wood chips, but there's some guys from the city that's been working out there, and I don't like working out there when they're out there. So I'm just gonna finish checking out my garden and go back in my house. Cousin Cheryl and Tommy, I just want to let y'all know, these are the plants that have been getting hit by the aphids. 2 days ago, I hit them with water and just soap only, and this is what it's looking like. All clear. I think there might be just a few that are trying to come back in. They were all up under the leaves and everything. So I've been coming out and just hitting it with some soap and water only. No neem oil. And they're looking good. Hey, Mr. Taco Truck. Another cucumber plant that has begun to climb. Y'all look at my borage. And we're finally getting some Shasta daisies, I think. Now, the bad thing about growing is everything looks the same when it starts popping up, so you never know if you're getting what you think you're getting. Y'all see those little bugs in there? I don't know what those bugs are. This is in my kale, and every day when I pull back my shade cloth, they run for the hills. Look at that. Y'all see them? Gotta find out what that is. I can't put any diatomaceous earth or anything in here because it's been raining. But they don't seem to be eating the kale, but they might be eating the roots. I don't know. This is my one strong loofah. Something happened to the leaf on there, but some new leaves. Look like some true leaves are coming out. And this is the other one. They came out kind of retarded. But this one looks great. A lettuce, babies. I want to show you something. These are my strawberry plants. Just move this out the way for a moment. Lots of strawberries coming on. Always look in the middle to see what's growing. See that? Got lots of strawberries. This plant right here has gone crazy. And y'all see that? Got a little mold at the bottom of there, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick that. Look how big that is. Look at the little one that's just coming on. Let's take that off. I'm not gonna let that little bit of mold deter me. That's some natural beauty, y'all. That thing is humongous. I'm gonna wash that off and we're gonna eat this. Y'all look at my potatoes. Like one day I came out and they looked like this. They had a few little leaves coming on them and then they look like this one. That's cool. And I just set this in some regular potting soil. That's awesome. I did cut one of these off because I want to see if I can start getting some roots on these sweet potatoes. Yeah, I was also gonna throw this away, but he's still alive, so whatever. Here's a few cuttings. That's from the sweet potato, and this one's from my old cherry tomatoes. We're gonna see if I can propagate that. These are some of the ground cherries that I rescued from that pot of overgrown ground cherries. And they are making ground cherries as well. I don't know if y'all can see the blossoms down there. Oh, look inside. Ugh. This always gets these yellow mushrooms. They're really pretty. And there was some yesterday and they disappeared already. Here's some remnants of mushrooms. Y'all haven't done any seeds in quite a while, so I'm just gonna throw some seeds down for now, just for self-satisfaction, and see what pops up. So y'all, this is like my flower patch in the front now, and it has a lot of mushrooms in it too, so that's a good sign. Look at all these mushrooms. There's a lot coming up in here. I threw some wildflower mix in here, and of course the sunflowers are coming up as well, so I'm gonna put some more stuff in here. So we have these American daisies. Well, I'm just throwing them on the top. Let's see what happens. Let's see, it's not a lot of seeds in here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Ooh, they're very light. Need to come down some. And I'm gonna put them all in. Or down, uh-oh. Well, that's close. Y'all, they went all right here. Uh-oh, they might blow away. They're very light. Oh well, they're only 20 cents. And I have these California poppies. Let's see what they look like. Hold on. I should have brought my tripod out. I was like, this is gonna be quick. That's what the poppy seeds look like. They're small. I got these at the dollar store too. And I'm just gonna put them all in. I don't know. Wish them luck. They're out. And this is cottage garden seeds. I opened them up before I came out, but you know. Let's see what these look like. That's what these look like. Kind of like the marigolds and the zinnias. So let's try to put a few towards the back. And that's all of those. Let's see what happens. This really needs to be deadheaded. There's some new growth that wants to come on. It be needing some energy. Oh, there you are. So y'all never had a strawberry straight off the vine. So let's see. It's super juicy. It has a very strong strawberry taste, y'all. Very good strawberry taste. This is freaking delicious. I need more of these. So I think most of the strawberries that I've gotten in the stores, they have kind of, they're dried up a bit. So this has a nice juiciness to it. And I didn't do anything to these strawberries. It's not super sweet. I don't think I've ever had a strawberry that was super sweet. So I like to say this is a success. These are Sequoia strawberries, and I got them from my friend that lives in Jacksonville. She sent me some of her mature plants, so they're going crazy out there. So I just wanted to show y'all, that's kind of like my daily walk. Now I'm getting ready to have some coffee. All right, so since I've had my strawberries, I can have my coffee now. Y'all remember that shirt? I also have mugs. So let me know if you need one of these mugs. Pick up a hoe, grab some wine, throw in the mushrooms, and let's get dirty. The coffee is good too. Always need that in the morning. All right, y'all. See you on the next video. Bye. Have some coffee and strawberry and a hoe.